Hi there. We will now start our demonstration on FieldEco, an app that ecologists may use to record their own fieldwork using a smartphone instead of the old paper and pencil. FieldEco will deal with survey metadata, species abundances, and individual sizes, but there are some nice extra features that you will be able to see during this short presentation. This version is still a beta version, and it was customized for fieldwork in a marine protected area, so you'll be able to follow our species list that can be replaced by your own list. Let's start with general survey info. As you can see, general information such as date and hour were automatically filled when you started the application. Now we can add a survey code related to our own study area, let's say Lisbon. This is important because FieldEco will provide a unique automated label for this survey, which will include the survey code we picked before and the date. We can add additional data such as season, weather conditions, and sea surface temperature. We can also add other information such as how many fishermen were spotted in the area or the type of litter we came across. Let's say 1 fisherman and 2 items of plastic. Now we are ready to continue. When we press the button New Area Sub-Area, we can start our fieldwork. As you can see, FieldEco automatically recorded GPS data, and now you can add your specific label for that station. Let's say we are in Area 1, Sub-Area A. If we press the station 1A that we just inserted and record our first observation, we can scroll down the species list, or we can start to insert the species name and use the autocomplete function to choose, for instance, white sea bream or Diplodocus argus. Now we can add the abundance for the first species. Slide left and register 2 juveniles and 1 adult, for a total of 3 individuals. We can now add the second species, let's say the sand smelt or Aterina presbyter. Slide left and add, for instance, 90 juveniles. Notice that in the bottom of the screen you can change your species list, because we are following both vertebrates and invertebrates. This could become handy to avoid crowded species lists. When we are happy with the abundances, we can press a target species and we have access to the individual menu. Let's say that we counted 3 Diplodocus argus and we have captured 1 of them. Now we can add its total length and standard length. Let's say 22 and 16 centimeters. With this size, we also know that it's not a juvenile of the year, so cohort 1+. But there is more. If we press the plus button, we can now collect a tissue sample for DNA analysis. Notice that FieldEco provides an automated label for your sample. We don't know if it's a male or a female in this species, but we can take a picture of the individual. Be aware that the app won't let you add more than 3 individual records because you set the abundances to 3. So if you forget it, FieldEco will reply with an error note. When you are happy with the species abundances and individual data for this station, you can go back, insert another area sub-area, and start all over again. In the end, you want to submit your data. FieldEco will send all the information in CSV format to a predefined email address. You can press Submit, and in a few seconds you'll have your field data ready in your email box. And as you can see, you will have the data in CSV format, and you are ready to analyze it in your Excel file. In general, FieldEco has been saving us lots of time, copying data from a field table to an Excel file when we return from a field survey. But most of all, it's not prone to errors, with autocomplete functions, warning messages when we make a mistake, and an awesome checklist that keeps us sharp so that we don't forget to register important information during fieldwork rush hours. Interested? Now guess what? This software is freeware, so you can try it whenever you want. Thank you very much for your attention. The authors conducted their research at Mare Marine and Environmental Science Center and work at ISPA University Institute in Portugal. FieldEco was a deliverable in Rebreathe project supported by In Situ Conservation and Research Fund from Lisbon Oceanarium and Oceano Azul Foundation. Thank you.